First year B. Pharmacy, second semester. MCQs question with answers. Subject name, Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry-1. Subject code, BP202T. As per PCI syllabus 2023. Question number 1. Which of the following statements regarding the SN1 mechanisms is wrong? Options are: A. SN1 reactions are unimolecular. B. SN1 reactions are usually the first order. C. SN1 mechanism occurs in a single step. D. SN1 reactions usually occur in 2 steps. Answer is, SN1 mechanism occurs in a single step. Question number 2. SN1 reactions occur through the intermediate formation of. Options are: A. Carbanions. B. Carbocations. C. Free radicals. D. Neutral molecules. Answer is, carbocations. Question number 3. Which step in SN1 reaction is a slow rate determining step? Options are: A. Attack of nucleophile. B. Formation of carbocation. C. Formation of transition step. D. All of the above. Answer is, formation of carbocation. Question number 4. SN1 reactions are favored by. Options are: A. Nonpolar solvents. B. A small group of carbon atoms attached to the halogen atom. C. Bulky groups on the carbon atom attached to the halogen atom. D. Neutral groups on the carbon atom attached to the halogen atom. Answer is, bulky groups on the carbon atom attached to the halogen atom. Question number 5. Which of the following statements is wrong? Options are: A. SN1 reactions undergo partial inversion of the configuration of configuration. B. SN2 reactions undergo partial inversion. C. Rate constant of SN1 reactions depend upon solvent. D. Rate constant of SN2 reactions depend upon solvent. Answer is, SN2 reactions undergo partial inversion. Question number 6. Low concentration of nucleophile favors. Options are: A. SN2 reaction. B. SN1 reaction. C. Both SN1 and SN2 reaction. D. S, N, A reactions. Answer is, SN1 reaction. Question number 7. Which of the following statements is wrong? Options are: A. SN1 reactions proceed via carbonium ion intermediate. B. SN2 mechanism does not involve an intermediate. C. Rate constant of SN1 reactions depends on nucleophile. D. Rate constant of SN2 reactions does not depend on nucleophile. Answer is, rate constant of SN2 reactions does not depend on nucleophile. Question number 8. The nucleophile does occur in halogenous because. Options are: A. The carbon-halogen bond is much shorter. B. The carbon-halogen bond is much stronger compared to that in haloalkanes. C. The lone pair of electrons on halogen participates in dealkylization with the pi electrons of benzene ring. D. All of the above. Answer is, all of the above. Question number 9. Which of the following undergoes nucleophilic substitution by SN1 mechanism? Options are: A. Ethyl chloride. B. Isopropyl chloride. C. Chlorobenzene. D. Benzyl chloride. Answer is, benzyl chloride. Question number 10. SN2 mechanism proceeds through the intervention of. Options are: A. Free radicals. B. Carbonium ion. C. Transition state. D. Carbanion. Answer is, transition state.